What do you think about Shakti Scheme first?
Will be good.
Okay. Um, do you support it or oppose it actually?
I will support it.
You support it. Okay. So why do you think it should be supported?
Will lead to women to grow up and women will equal to boys.
Okay. So does this scheme personally affected you in some way or the other way?
No.
They call it it's against the government. Basically, the government gave the free facilities to women, so that's why they are affecting to taxes actually. So that's why they are protesting against the government actually.
So what do you know about that Shakti Scheme?
The team is somewhat 50% good, 50% bad actually. So basically, it's not at all necessary to women. So, but I don't know. But in political basis, they have given to women actually.
So do you support it or oppose it?
I am exactly opposite to that scheme.
So why do you think it should be supported or opposed by people?
See, some women are basically supporting to them because they are getting money actually. So other people, they won't getting money, so they will basically oppose actually that.
I think it's fine because many people they have white boards and still they are using the which is affecting the auto people. So it's right, I think.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
I know about that.
Do you support it or oppose it?
I support it, but it is affecting also people. Like there are many fights going in the buses, and buses are also reduced less, and there is a lot of fights. Like I have experienced many fights in the buses.
So does this affected you personally? This scheme?
No, like it doesn't affect me personally.
Okay.
If they are born and brought up in Karnataka and they have an Aadhaar card for it, then it's free. For girls, not boys. Only for women. Yeah.
Okay.
Only for women, female.
Okay. So you guys support it or oppose it?
See, it's 50-50. Actually, it's different perspective for different people. For me personally, I don't oppose it. It's fine because it depends on state to state.
Exactly. Women, like how financially independent they are.
Yeah.
They are like from poor background, and it's good for the Shakti scheme is good for them. And for people like us, it's obviously okay, fine. We can use bus for some time and use
So this is the reason you think you want to support or oppose it?
We can support. But yeah,
Okay.
We
So
should support actually.
so does this scheme personally affected you? This like this does this strike personally affected you on some way or the scheme personally affected you?
Some people,
Yeah.
They want to come, they should travel for them.
It is difficult to
Actually, many people are not from Bangalore, so
Okay.
traveling is problem obviously for them. From PG, they have to travel so far. So traveling in auto is main for them. So and even bus weren't available that time, right?
Yes,
So they had a problem.